Prank. I'm fixing to prank my granddaughter. She doesn't know. Y'all are gonna follow me in there, and I'm gonna casually play this off. Let's watch just a moment. Here we go. Doki! Alicia, babe. Come here, honey. Will you do me a favor? I have a question to ask you. See what she's doing?
Nana, what are you trying to... Nana, you gonna do something?
No, she's outside. She won't let her in. I'm not doing anything. Why do you think I'm doing something?
Get inside. Nana, what are
Go ahead and close the door. Don't let her out. Don't let him out. So, come here, I got a question. How you think I'm up to something? I don't even have nothing. I'm just
you
drinking.
Have a mug in your hand. What's in it?
My drink.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Why are you gonna stay right here? Why are you gonna stay right here?
Nana, bro.
So I have a question to ask you.
Nana.
No, it's a serious question.
If you...
Why are you walking away from me, yo? Like, I'm trying to ask you a question. Maybe Amari can answer. Jeez. So.
Mario is.
So.
Why do you keep doing that?
So, if I've been told that whales make different noises.
What?
A whale?
What do you
So, I mean, like, what sound does a whale make?
What drink are you drinking? Water?
Hmm?
What drink are you drinking?
That's what sound a whale makes! Prank zone, baby! Yeah! Another exclusive Bing video prank! Ooh, how you feel about that? Now, what's the whale say there, Miss Lucy? Bleep, bleep, bleep. We love y'all. Subscribe, comment, share. Stay tuned. This was our first prank. Much love. We out.